Shabir,
Yeah.
how we can create a happy and peaceful relationship as a partner?
Wow. Is that a question for me to
Yeah.
share here
Yeah,
on the video?
yeah, please
Yes.
share.
That's a great question. Sahar, my partner, is asking how to create a happy and peaceful relationship between each other. There's a few steps we need to follow. And that's what you and me have done so far.
Yes.
Step number one, create a honesty. Be honest with each other. But how to be honest with your partner? That starts with being honest with yourself first. Are you honest with yourself? Regardless of the mistakes you have done in the past. Now ask yourself that question. That's the question I ask myself. Am I honest with myself? Then I proved it to myself. Yes, I'm honest with myself. And then start being honest with your partner. Don't hide anything.
Yes.
By not being honest and hiding things from your partner, guess what happens? You create the stress on yourself. You eliminate the peace and happiness from your life. Why? Because if you, for example, if you have some secret in your mobile phone, that's a good example, yeah? If you have connection with other women as a man, or as a woman, you have a connection with another man, the phone call, the messages comes to that phone, and you're hiding it from your partner, that is eliminating the peace and the happiness from your life.
Yes.
To create peace and happiness, you have to be honest with your partner. And ask yourself, for example, I just mentioned if you have connection with another woman, if you're a man, you're watching this video, or if you're a woman, you're watching this video, you have a connection with another man, ask yourself, okay, what is the point of living with my partner?
Yes.
If you're not in love, really in love with your heart, and you cheating, why you stay within that relationship? As Liz Brown, the motivational speaker, said, that means you're not living together, you're dying together. Agree, Sahar?
So true, yes.
So to answer your question, to create happiness and peaceful, step number one, start being honest with your partner. Step number two, don't expect from your partner. Change the mindset from expectation to appreciation. Say to yourself, okay, this is my expectation, for example, myself. I put myself into it. For example, I say, how nice Sahar is with me. Okay. Or why Sahar is not nice to me. For example, that's the ego inside. I should ask myself, how nice am I with Sahar? How much do I care about Sahar? You see, this is step number two. Change the expectation to appreciation. I appreciate that I have Sahar in my life. And not expecting anything from her. I always say to myself what I can do for Sahar to make her happy, to make her comfortable in her life, to eliminate the stress from her. You see, the rule of life. What you put out, it will come back to you.
Yes.
The more I do for Sahar, the more it comes back to me from Sahar. That's step number two. Change the expectation to appreciation. Do more for your partner instead of asking from your partner. Step number three, remember, Sahar, being under one roof, we'll not agree with everything.
Yeah.
Sometimes we argue. Yeah,
Yes.
we do. Let's admit it. And that's okay. That's part of life. Step number two, when you argue, don't hold on to it. Don't take it to your heart.
Yeah.
The best thing, go and sit down with your partner.
Talk to each
Not
other.
at the same time. Walk off and then come back and talk and ask question. And please, if you're a man, you're listening to this, you're watching this, don't think I'm the man, I'm the stronger. Whatever I say, you gotta do it. No. Please, respect a woman. Respect your partner. It's not always about you. Let's forget about the old days. Especially our culture and Afghan culture and most of other cultures. The man always think, hey, I'm the one. No, you're not. Seriously. Think about it. Appreciate your woman and respect your woman.
Yes.
who you are, remember, it's because of an amazing woman you have in your life. And of course, who the woman is, because that woman got an amazing man in her life.
Yeah.
Yeah. Love yourself, love your partner. Once you follow these rules, there's other rules as well that we can share in other videos, in our next videos. But these are the 3 rules that we shared with you. And I hope it's beneficial for you.
Yes.
And if you love this video, you can share it with your family and friends. For Sahar and I, we follow the rule of learn, do, and share.
Yeah.
Because it's great to learn. And it's greater to apply it in your life. And to become greatest, share it with others. Share is
Caring.
caring.
Yes.
Exactly. Because when you share, if this video can impact one life, Sahar,
Yes.
it's a lot for us.
Yes.
Yes?
More than, yep.
Create peace and happiness in your life, because Sahar and I, we learned through our journey, and we're still learning. We're not the champion. We're not saying we know everything,
Yes.
but what we know, what we have learned, we share here with you.
Yeah.
And I hope this is helpful for you. Nothing is more important than being happy and peaceful.
Peaceful.
No matter what you have, how much you have, where you are in this beautiful planet, if you're not happy and peaceful, forget about this life, and that life becomes
Useless.
useless. We share more in our future videos. Enjoy your day and create peace and happiness in your life. Bye for now.
Bye.